Hi, welcome to Voices of Freedom. I'm Chris. 15th of August is not just a date on a calendar. It's an emotion that we'll carry in our hearts. So today, we're going to ask some students and some faculties, what does freedom mean to them?
Freedom for me is epitome of humanity and at the same time liberty for just being me in absolute sense, if that makes a sense.
I think freedom means having the ability to pick and choose what you want for yourself.
फ्रीडम का मतलब मेरे लिए आज़ादी है। मेरे लिए मतलब स्वतंत्रता कि मैं जहाँ मर्जी जा सकूं, जिसको मर्जी चुन सकूं और जो मन में आए वो बोल सकूं। मतलब कुछ चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखकर, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मैं देश के खिलाफ या किसी चीज़ के खिलाफ बोलूं। हाँ, लेकिन
For me, freedom is the liberty to do things I want to do.
For me, it's being financially independent.
To me, freedom means being able to express yourself in a way that you feel comfortable without fear of societal judgment or repercussions.